Hello friends. This video is for the people who have last 10 to 12 days left in the IELTS exam, and they are in a condition where they are unable to decide what best use of time they should make in these last few days. Your nerves are up and down, your mind is stressed out, and your hands are cold, and you're unable to decide what best you should do for these 10 days to ensure that you get a good score in IELTS. So I am coming up with 10 very quick tips which will be of great help to you when you're preparing for the last 10 days. And I just hope that your purpose of taking out time in the last few days should suffice by the end of this video. And stay tuned and listen to this video till the end. So friends, the first and the foremost tip is to take all the sections of the IELTS exam equally important. None of the sections is easy or tough. You have to ensure that you give equal time to each section and actually write yourself, listen to a lot of videos and ensure that each and every section of the IELTS is taken as important. Tip number two: make a quick timetable where you should ensure that you listen to four to five audios every day and read to at least 2 to 3 passages every day. Just in case you don't have a practice book to read, grab a newspaper and try to understand the passage from the newspaper. It can be of great help to you. Tip number three: when time is left from reading and listening, go ahead and practice your writing and speaking, because these sections are comparatively easier but they are equally important. Tip number four: get yourself a book for IELTS reading practice, because the book which comes from the center, the IELTS center, does not have enough amount of uh, practice material available. So get yourself a book from the market where you can actually practice a lot, and this will help you in understanding the reading portion of IELTS better. Talk to a friend in English on a regular basis, especially in the last few days, so that your tongue gets fluent for the English language, and you get that grip and confidence over the language in the last few days. Do not hesitate in writing. Don't think that I'll just read over here and I'll directly go and write in the exam. Don't take writing easily, because it's not that easy to write directly in the exam. Just practice at home. Come out with a lot of task 1 and task 2 practice tests, so that you can read when you so that after you've written you can read your own passage and understand where you've made mistakes, and you should not repeat those mistakes in exam. Tip number 8: keep yourself away from tensions and negative pressures. Just avoid getting into any conflicts with any of your family members, friends, your boyfriend, husband, anybody. Just avoid negative things and any tension which is coming up in your mind in the last few days, because it's very negative for you actually to go and sit in your exam with those negative ideas in mind. Quick tip number 8 is avoid social media. Just avoid social media for a few days, because at times you tend to flaunt a lot on social media that you're going for exams and all these things, and that kind of builds pressure on your mind that people know and you have to give this exam, so you should score good. So just stay relaxed and stay calm. Just don't concentrate too much on social media. Avoid your phone and other areas which distract you from the focus, which is your IELTS exam. So just avoid that. And quick tip number 10 is eat good and take a sound sleep. That's very important, because these last few days are very crucial and are the decisive factor for you to get a good or a bad score in IELTS. So ensure you eat good food, take a sound sleep, so that you can practice each day for your IELTS exam. I just hope this quick 10 tips of the day were helpful to you, and just ensure to practice them for last few days, and just write in your comments if you have anything to ask, or just any suggestion of yours which would be of great help to me. Just go ahead and do that right away, and like the channel if you if you have liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for a lot of more videos coming up in the future. Thanks and bye bye.